They mocked the tariffs. They said factories would never come back. They said America couldn't compete anymore. But $730 billion later, who's laughing now? It wasn't supposed to happen, and yet here we are. TSMC just broke ground on its third Arizona chip plant. That's part of a now $165 billion investment, one of the largest foreign direct investments in U.S. history. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick toured the site yesterday. The CEO confirmed their newest fabs will use TSMC's most advanced N2 and A16 chip tech. The first plant is already producing. The second's been fast-tracked by soaring AI demand. Intel's exploding in Ohio. Samsung's building the biggest chip plant in U.S. history. And what started as a $200 billion surge has exploded past $730 billion in real-world, shovel-in-the-ground investment. And it's still rising. But to understand how we got here, you've got to rewind 20 years. Because in 2001, China joins the World Trade Organization. It was supposed to be a win-win. Instead, they stole tech, flooded our shelves, hollowed out the middle class, and we let them. So when Trump slapped tariffs on Beijing, that wasn't chaos. That was leverage. Anchor far out, force a conversation no one wanted to have. China wasn't playing fair. And the result? Real factories, real jobs, real momentum. But nothing's free. Building new supply chains, it's ugly. Taxpayers shell out up to $185,000 per semiconductor job, more than double what workers earn. We've got labor shortages, inflation, automation pressures. It's hitting families and business owners hard. Take Beth Benny. She makes baby mats. Good product. Then the tariffs hit, and she got slapped with $229,000 in import fees. Her house was on the line. Everything she built, crumbling. Beth's not alone. But here's the brutal question. Would you rather take a hit now or keep getting gutted for the next 20 years by knockoff junk and stolen dreams? Imagine your mom invents something. Sleepless nights, missed birthdays, pours her life into it. Then a foreign factory copies it, undercuts her, and then sues her for fighting back. That's not free trade. That's theft. And if we don't stand up, we don't just lose businesses. We lose the American dream. Some say China will never blink, but Gordon Chang, top China analyst, says they already are.
You know, the Chinese economy right now is in desperate straits. When we saw the price data for February and March, it confirmed a deflationary spiral. The Q1, they probably had a contracting economy, as we saw from underlying indicators. Although they reported 5.4% growth, that was not credible.
Classic end-of-regime behavior, lashing out at the Philippines, Taiwan, Australia. When they should be building allies, they're torching bridges. And behind the propaganda, their economy's buckling. I mean, because here's the reality. 39% of global buying power lives in the United States. You can't sell knockoffs to broke workers. Cut us off, and China sinks itself. And now it's bigger than tariffs. Vietnam's racing to lock in a U.S. trade deal to dodge Trump's new 46% tariff. Argentina's Milei wants a new pact to stabilize his collapsing economy. And J.D. Vance just confirmed a UK-U.S. deal is very likely soon. We're talking Japan, Argentina, Vietnam, the UK, the EU, all shifting toward direct deals to protect American industry. This isn't just about fighting back. It's about rebuilding something stronger. Factories are roaring again. Supply chains are moving home. Money's flowing back to American soil. But you don't hear that on CNN. When the jobs left, breaking news. Now that they're coming back, crickets. Even consumers feel it. A Business Insider reporter bought bubble wands from Temu. No surprise fee. But the next order, Temu added a new import fee to the cart, and it cost more than the product. Instead of folding, Temu pivoted. Now they're flooding their app with US-based inventory, dodging tariffs by moving stock stateside. It's subtle, but it's working. Tariffs are no longer just headlines. They're reshaping behavior in real time. And before you tune this out over Trump or Biden, hear me. This isn't about politics. It's about your wallet, your job, your future. Trump derangement syndrome, Biden derangement syndrome, same disease, same cure, common sense. But don't get cocky. We still depend on China for rare earths, antibiotics, electronics. And this month, China locked down exports of 7 critical rare earth minerals. The Center for Strategic and International Studies warned this could choke U.S. military readiness. Right now, Mountain Pass, the only U.S. rare earth mine, it's overwhelmed, and we just greenlit a second mine in California. It's a race, and we're behind, but we're in it, and it's winnable. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but that's the price of owning your future. You build it, you should keep it. You invent it, you should protect it. And for investors, this shift matters because where factories go, workers follow. And where workers go, housing demand explodes. That's why smart real estate investors are targeting these new boomtown zones, the hotbeds of American manufacturing revival. These aren't just factory towns, they're future gold mine. If you're wondering how to find the best boomtown zones to invest in, I've put together a quick resource. It's pinned in the comments. It's a free download. Just check it out if you want to track where the money's moving. It might change everything for you. Factories are back, but this time you've got to move with it or get left behind. If you like this video, the YouTube algorithm thinks that you're gonna love this one here too. So check it out next and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. Take care.